How to delete your history on Spotify or how to remove your listening history on Spotify. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Misnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove or delete your listening history or recently played history on Spotify. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to simply go ahead and open up your Spotify, right? Now, once on the Spotify app, if you head into your profile there, you'll get three different options and you can see listening history option. If you tap on it, you'll be able to see recently played history. However, you can see mine is cleared here. Now, how you can clear it? Basically, in the Spotify, the app itself doesn't give you an option to delete or remove your history, but there is trick to it. What you can do is you can simply tap on your profile on the screen and then tap on settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down below where you'll find the option that says logout at the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on logout and you want to log out of your account. Once you're logged out, you want to log in back again and your recently played history will be cleared. So this way you can delete your history on Spotify. However, make sure that your account is logged out of all devices. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.